Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Carmen Southeast Open House. This is the home of the Rams, and today you're going to learn all about it. So today, if you're in the building, you are exploring the building, meeting staff and students. However, because we do have certain COVID protocols, we know that your walkthrough may be quick, but we wanted to make sure you got all the information needed through this video. So you will hear from me. And also you will hear from some of our students. So stay tuned. My name is Xiomara Ortiz, and I'm the Assistant Director of Admissions here at Carmen Southeast. I am so happy to be able to help with any questions or information you may need. Here on the screen, you will see where you can contact me. My phone number is 509-7800 extension 3925. And also below, you will see my email, ortizx@carmenhighschool.org. Now let's get started. We have a lot of information to share with you. Carmen's mission is to graduate all students as critical thinkers and self-directed learners, to be successful in college, to have meaningful careers, to be involved in the community and in family life. So our three main pillars are college bound. So we want our students to be ready for college through our academics and also through the process that we have to support them all the way through the finish line. And then to hopefully have them go on to college. To be career ready. So our uniform is one of the parts that helps our students be career ready. And then all the opportunities we have to develop their professional skills and then expose them to different opportunities. And we'll talk a little bit more about that later. And community engaged. We want our students to learn about all the positive things happening in the city of Milwaukee and contribute to that.
Hi everybody, welcome to Carmen, and I hope you're having an amazing time at our open house. I'm Elise. I've been in the Carmen community for about 4 years now. I'm a senior and ready to graduate this year. I've been in a lot of clubs and sports, hence the shirt. I'm varsity captain of the volleyball team. If you want to join, go ahead and look into that. I hope you guys enjoy your time here. And I hope you get to learn more about our community. On to the next.
Thank you, Elise, for sharing a little bit about you and how you have grown through the Carmen family. So Elise joined us freshman year. She's still with us and she's on to the college process, which we'll talk a little bit more about that soon too. Academics, as I mentioned in our mission and vision, academics are extremely important because we want our kids to be ready for college. And so one of the things that we do have in place to ensure our students are mastering the skills in every course is our grading policy. So for students to be able to pass the class, they do need a 73 to 100%, which is a C+ to an A. This will ensure students have mastery of the skills and are ready for the next level class and then eventually ready for college. We also have advanced placement classes or AP courses where students can take college level courses while in high school and can earn college credit. This is beneficial for students because they're able to save time and money if college is ultimately their goal. Although we do have a high bar, we definitely have a lot of support to make sure our students are successful. One of our main priorities this year is the math priority. Why? Because studies show that when students are successful in math, they're more likely to just be successful in general and also to have success in college. So our teachers are receiving extra training and help and also are collaborating across the network to work together on different curriculum plans to ensure success of our students. We also offer tutoring or office hours. Office hours is kind of the same concept that you will see in college where you're able to visit your professor if you have any questions or need any help. Our students are able to have tutoring for each subject area. If a student is not passing a course, it is mandatory that they do take part in the tutoring, but it's also open to all students who need help or have questions. Each of our students has an advisor. Advisors help our students with their personal and their academic goals. Many students call their advisor like their Carmen parent or mentor. Our goal is that you have the same advisor for the 4 years that you're at Carmen. If you don't pass a class when you're in high school, you do have to recover that credit. So the opportunity to recover the credit is during summer school. And these are the supports at Carmen to ensure our students are successful. Uniforms. We are a uniform school. Our students wear the Carmen colors every day to represent our school and their pride to be a Carmen student. But also our students come dressed for success and ready for the career opportunities program that we have available for them. And you'll learn more about that soon as well. Again, going back to one of our pillars, being college bound. So not only do we want to ensure you're ready academically, we also want to make sure you have support with the whole process. So we do have the college transition program where students have support with the entire process here at Carmen. Anywhere from college exploration, pre-college program, college visits, FAFSA nights, like tonight on the second floor. The reason why you don't have access to it is because our seniors are doing FAFSA night with their parents and they're getting help with that process. So we literally help with every single process all the way to the finish line to make sure that you make an informed decision. But it doesn't stop there. Once you're part of the Carmen family, you're always a part of the Carmen family. If you're in college, we want to support you through that process. Sometimes you may need help with your class schedules, or the college you're at might not be a great fit and you want to switch, or maybe you're not in college yet and you're exploring other options and you can use that support. You're always welcome here at Carmen to come back and visit us or to reach out for support. Here at Carmen, we're not all talk. We really mean it when we say we're going to get you to that step, not just academically, but also through the process and support that we offer you. Our students were accepted to 137 different colleges and were able to earn $21 million in scholarships. That's a lot of money. Our students are career ready. The career program is for every single student. We want to make sure every single student has the basic skills, such as practicing how to interview with a professional in the city of Milwaukee, writing a resume in English class. Our students also have the opportunity to tour different companies to meet professionals and learn about new careers that professionals are currently taking on. And we also have two programs where our students can continue to develop those skills. And one of them is the student internship program. Our students go once a week out into a corporation or a nonprofit, and they work alongside a professional who is their mentor, who helps develop their professional skills. Some of those opportunities do have scholarships. So scholarships is free money that you can use for college. And then we have the STEM apprenticeships program. We offer STEM apprenticeships. The STEM apprenticeships that we offer are certified nurse assistant, CNA, healthcare customer service, and I believe we also offer coding. So Carmen works with different organizations or colleges for our students to take the courses. We cover the cost, and once you complete the programs, we help place you in a job. So we have students working at St. Luke's or at Freuder, for example. And I have Leandro Gomez here, who's going to share all about his experience as a CNA.
I'm Leandro Gomez. I finished my CNA degree at Quality Culture around 4 months ago. And it's every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And once you finish the program, you'll be able to work during the weekends, afternoons. You may even get early dismissal this time. If you want to be part of the program, you should probably stay on top of your grades, be consistent, and if you really want to get insight in the medical field, you should really.
Thank you, Leandro, for sharing that insight into the CNA program. Our students are community engaged. Our students do have to complete 20 hours of community service hours each year and need a total of 80 hours to graduate. We want our students to take part in the positive things happening in our community, but this also helps them learn and grow as individuals, and this will also help them in their college process. Next we have Ms. Jada Williams, who will tell us all about the clubs at Carmen and how to get involved.
Hi, my name is Jada Williams, and I'm a senior at Carmen Southeast, and I'm going to talk a little bit about clubs. So first, I started the club my sophomore year. It was our Black Student Union, and I really enjoyed it because it brought together like diverse groups of people from different grades, and we were also in charge of planning our own events, which established a sort of independence. Like we made sites for fundraisers, and we took steps to organize fundraisers. And also my senior year, so this year, I'm working to start a publication club. And what that looked like is I needed to write a proposal. So how many students I was going to be, if I had a teacher that would oversee it, how often, and what my plans were. And then once I had that created, I presented it to our principal, but any students that want to start clubs, they can create a proposal and they can present it to their deans to get approval. So if there's something at Carmen that we don't have that you want, you can start.
Thank you, Jada, for sharing all about extracurriculars and clubs. Next up, we do have Xavier Jones, who's going to tell us all about his experience with football at Carmen and athletics.
Hi, my name is Xavier Jones. I'm in 11th grade and I'm part of Carmen's football. One thing I like about being in Carmen Athletics is it teaches me discipline and gives you something to focus on while you're in school. If you want to join Carmen Athletics, all you need is $25 and see you on the field next year.
So as you can see, on this side of the screen is all of our sports that we offer are listed here. We do offer freshman, JV, and varsity. So any level, skill level is welcome. So I hope to see you guys join some of these sports as well. So I hope you liked all the information we shared with you today. There's so much more to learn. If you're here in the building, make sure you stop by our resource tables and our classrooms to ask all the questions you would like. If you're ready to move to the next step, let me tell you all about it. The next step is to apply, and make sure to apply on time. Our deadline is November 2nd by 5 p.m., so end of day. You can apply 2 ways. Our application is online at www.carmenschools.org. Click on enroll now, and it'll take you to Schoolment where you can submit your application. Or you can apply through paper. So your school counselor might have a paper copy, or you can pick one up in our building and submit it before November 2nd. You can apply to more than one campus. We do have 3 high school campuses, and I really hope you're going to apply to Carmen Southeast since you learned all about it. We are located on 2500 West Oklahoma Avenue. Then we also have Carmen South on 32nd and Burnham. And then we have Carmen Northwest on 72nd in Silver Spring. So if you're just super interested in just joining one of our schools, you can apply to all 3 and rate them in order of preference. Again, thank you so much for your time, for coming to our open house, for listening to this information, and I really hope that you'll join the Carmen Southeast family next year. Last but not least, make sure to follow us on social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We're keeping up with the times. That way you see everything that's happening at our school. Have a great night.